back to Grandma's Alice's kitchen. It's been a while I haven't posted any cooking video. Did you all miss me? Now I'm back. I miss you too. Aww. Today we are going to cook yam rice. It's a very simple yam rice. I like to cook yam, like my yam cake video. Check it out in my link. Okay, let's start cooking. Here are the ingredients for the yam rice. First, let's get rid of the yam skin. Then make sure to wash your yam. Keep chopping it and you can smell it if you like. Chop them up until you get small cubes. Now we are going to fry the Chinese sausages. We call this lapchong. If you notice, I'm using a much smaller wok because my old one spoiled. I'm so sad. See guys, always wear your mask, okay? Even I am wearing a face shield to cook. Okay, now add in more oil to your wok. Throw in 2 handfuls of minced garlic. Make sure you chop up your pork belly into thin slices. Now add the dried prawns. It's about half a cup. And now add 2 teaspoons salt. Add in your yam now. I like to add 3 teaspoons of mushroom seasoning. If you don't have it, you can always add more salt to this. Now add in your uncooked rice. I'm using long grain rice, and make sure you wash your rice clean, okay? Add the black ketchup. I'm going to agar-agar as long as the rice turns dark in color. Now we are going to transfer our rice into a rice cooker. You want to add water, just enough to cover the rice on the surface. Nice. Now we just let the rice cooker do its job. After about 30 minutes, you get your beautiful yam rice. It smells heavenly. Add your fried Chinese sausage in and you are done. Now the rice is ready and I'm going to put it inside my mouth. And it's hot. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like it, like and subscribe to my channel. See you all next week. Bye. What's your next bell? Jom makan aja.
You ignored her. She was gonna feed you some rice.
That's all ว่าขอลูกเอาเลไป